Hello everyone, it's vsykes again with Bella Casa by vsykes. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I have a great new DIY for you. I'm going to show you how to bling out some napkin rings. But first, if you would, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me across all social media at Bella Casa by vsykes. Okay, here we're going to be using a hot glue gun and 4 napkin rings. They were 4 in a pack for $1. I got them from Dollar Tree. These are the rings that we will use to bling out. I also purchased some E6000 glue, and I have 2 buttons that I got out of the sewing department at the hobby store. And I also have 2 brooches that I purchased from the hobby store as well. And I also have some jewelry snippers. These are all the supplies that you'll need for this project. Okay, so we're going to do the brooch. And all you have to do is take the brooch off the packet and get your jewelry snippers and pop the back off. It comes off really easy. Now that you've taken the back off of your brooch, you can add your E6000 glue. I just spreaded it across the back of the brooch evenly to make sure that it would stick to the napkin ring. After you've added the E6000 glue, you can then add your hot glue to the napkin ring. I use both the E6000 and the hot glue because it often takes E6000 a little longer to adhere, and so I always use the hot glue to make sure that it's stable and it dries fairly quickly. Just press it down and make sure that it is attached to the napkin ring, and you are basically done. You just need to let it sit for a couple of hours, but we are done, and I think it looks fabulous. A really super easy project that you can really take your table to the next level. We are done here for today. I'm so excited and happy that you decided to stop by Bella Casa by vsykes. I was able to show you today how you can bling out a napkin ring. We used a large scale brooch, but you can also use a button, which you see here. So whatever your choice, you can decide. But what I hope you will do is stop by again at Bella Casa by vsykes, where beauty and style live. I hope your day is full of love, laughter, and most of all, peace. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.